To have a good understanding of statistics, we begin this chapter by learning the basic concepts, definitions, and terms we normally encounter in statistical problems. It is important for students to have a good grasp of the concepts introduced in this chapter since they are used throughout most of the textbook. In this chapter, we begin the study of statistics by understanding the ways we use statistics. We will learn to explain what we mean by descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. We will also learn the distinction between a qualitative variable versus a quantitative variable, understand the differences between a sample and a population, describe how a discrete variable is differentiated from a continuous variable, and finally, we will learn to distinguish the different levels of measurement, namely the nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio levels. We study statistics so we can handle numerical information effectively. Every day, statistical techniques are used to make decisions that affect our lives. Learning the statistical methods will help us understand how decisions are made and how we can make better decisions in business as well as in our personal matters. No matter what line of work you select, you will be faced with decisions where a good understanding of data analysis will be helpful. Studying and understanding statistics and their uses is important to us as consumers of information. Numerical information is everywhere. By understanding the basics of statistics, we will become better consumers of information. For example, as investors, we will be able to evaluate better information about stocks before making a buy or sell decision. As concerned citizens and members of the United States economy, we will be able to have a better understanding of the status of the economy. If one were a marketing director of a company, one might want to know how to predict or estimate future sales of products, and operations managers use statistics to make decisions about the quality of their product or service. As a decision maker, you will need to make informed decisions. In order to do this, you will need to determine whether the existing information is adequate or additional information is required, gather additional information if it is needed in such a way that it does not provide misleading results, summarize the information in a useful and informative manner, analyze the available information, draw conclusions, and make inferences while assessing the risk of an incorrect conclusion. The statistical methods presented in the text will provide you with a framework for the decision-making process. We begin by defining what we mean by statistics in the context of your class. Statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting data to assist in making more effective decisions. As the definition suggests, the first step in investigating a problem is to collect relevant data. The data must then be organized in some way and perhaps presented in a graphical form, such as a pie chart, a histogram, or a frequency table, or as a numeric information such as an average, a standard deviation, or a range, to name a few. Once the data has been organized, we are then able to analyze and interpret them. Virtually everyone uses statistics in business, government, and nonprofits. Statistical information is present in all day-to-day operations. All aspects of business have use for statistics, from human resources to marketing, quality assurance to professional sports, politicians to physicians, and so on. It is a fact that no one can escape the use of statistics.